What's up, guys? Will here. Another video for you guys. Just thought I'll do a little update on where we're at with the Stockcar. I know we haven't done one for a while. But before I do, big shout out to Gisborne Speedway. And Speedway was awesome last night. They had their fireworks meeting. And fireworks was awesome, and even the racing was awesome as well. But I think my last update was on the 7th of November, but anyway, this is where we're up to. So we've got our body and all that. It's all been painted. So thanks shout to Shawnee Koya for doing the paint work on our car. Just need some stickers and all that kind of stuff, and then we'll be looking mint. But what else have we done? We've got our side plates in there now, so got our steel side plates, our body and all that's painted, seats in, a gearbox in, and sort of got a few plates over there, sort of in the footwell area, and just plates over the drive shaft and that. And yeah, so that's pretty much all set up. All that's all sort of sorted. A few more bits and pieces on the motor. I haven't fired this motor up, but at the moment we've sort of been just mucking around with alternator setup and all that kind of stuff. Was actually wanting to put like a fan off the motor, either off the water pump or maybe off the crankshaft, but yeah, I think we'll probably try and figure out that later on, because to try and source some bits and pieces for that. So we're just going to use electric fan just to get us going, and hopefully that doesn't disintegrate on us. And until we get a manual fan running off the motor, what else? I don't think there was nothing on the motor, but we sort of the old man's been helping out in the shed, and we sort of got a few distributors that we sort of just got to hot wire it up and sort of crank it over and see if she starts. But yeah, nothing sort of bolted and everything sort of just in there loose. We had a bit of mucking around on our starter motor to get that in to sit in properly, so that's there. Probably have to make a little cover over the exhaust pipe, and that's our little ignition switch. We're probably just going to hook it up on the side, hot wire that one, crank the motor over, and yeah, we got us a petrol camp. Shout out to David Bacon for hooking us up with that one. So hopefully we can set up our fuel tank inside. Just sort of sits inside the car here. Sort of just sits in there, sort of. A bit better than that, but then we'll be setting up a fuel pump down around about in there somewhere. So yeah, that's what we're sort of up to progress wise. Yeah, both side plates are on. So today I'll probably be ripping off the body and the wing and all that, finishing off a little bit of welding, and yeah, carry on mucking around with the alternator belts and the belt setup, and then see if we can fire the beast up and get it running. But yeah, at this stage, probably looking at racing, being out on the track after Christmas. Still got the trailer over there to sort of, that's another job to do as well. So yeah, everything goes well. Yeah, hopefully after Christmas we'll be out there having a skid.